Hi, this is Melinda, and in this video we're going to talk about setting up Google Analytics on a campus.albion.edu personal website. Let's talk a little bit first about Google Analytics. And Analytics tells you all kinds of stuff about your website. In this particular report here, we can see that on this website, just in the short time that it's been active, which has been since just past October 4th here, we can see how many visits we've had to the site, how many unique visitors we've had, how many pages they've looked at in aggregate, all kinds of information. System will tell you what browsers people use, it'll tell you what kind of internet connection they have, operating systems, mobile devices, all kinds of nifty information. And this particular video is not all about the analytics, but rather about how to set this up on your campus website. First thing you need to do is go to www.google.com/analytics and sign up for a free account. So here we are on the analytics website, and right here under New to Google Analytics, you'll click the Sign Up Now link. An important distinction here under this sign in with your Google account: if you are a Google Apps for Education user, such as the albion.edu email accounts, that's not what this is asking for here. Google Analytics is a separate service and it's not part of the Google Apps for Education. So it is possible to create a Google account using your Albion email address, but it is not the same login as for your Albion email and Google Docs. So if you don't already have an account, you're going to click Create One Now. Now if you have a personal Gmail account, you're welcome to use that one as well. So I have my information filled in here for my test account. I chose a password. I am going to choose not to stay signed in, but that's strictly a matter of personal preference. Enter your location and your birthday, the CAPTCHA text here. When you click on I accept and create my account, it assumes that you've read the terms of service. Now that the account is created, we're going to go ahead and sign up for Google Analytics by clicking this link. You put the URL right here. Now your URL is going to be the name of your blog site. So it's not just campus.albion.edu, it's campus.albion.edu / the name of one of your blogs. This happens to be one that we maintain in instructional technology. Give this a name to identify it to yourself. You can make it like this, or which is what it defaults to, or you could change it to something else. Since I'm just doing this test account for this demo, I'm going to delete it later. I'm going to just call it that to make it clear to myself. Set your time zone and click Continue. Put your contact information in. And then again, we're going to this time accept the terms of service for Google Analytics. The one that we accepted before was for our Google account. Then it's going to come up and give you some information and give you some code. You do not need this code. We have a plugin installed that's going to take advantage of a special number that's going to be assigned to your Google Analytics. So we're just going to leave it set at a single domain. Scroll down here and click Save and Finish. Now we see the URL here that we're tracking, and Google Analytics has given us a number right here, and this is your account number or your analytics code. And this number we're going to need to set up analytics on our website. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. Notice the little yellow exclamation point here, and if we put it here, it says tracking unknown. What it's telling us is that tracking is not yet set up on the website. This is the second part that needs to happen. So we'll go to our website and into the dashboard for this particular one, which is online tutorials. So I've gone to my campus.albion.edu / online tutorials website and logged in, and I'm at the main dashboard. We're going to scroll down on the web page here. Under Settings, you'll find a new link called Google Analytics. We'll click on that, and right here it's going to ask us for that tracking code that we copied. So we're going to go ahead and just paste that in there right now. and click Save Changes. And that easily Google Analytics has been installed and set up on your blog site. So if we go back now to the Analytics website, we click here on Edit, and we can say Check Status. It should come back and report that tracking is installed and it's waiting for data. So now we're all set. It takes usually 24 to 48 hours before the system starts reporting data. So in a day or two, we can log back into google.com/analytics with that account that we created on google.com and take a look at our information. Now I should add also that if you want to add additional sites to your Google Analytics, it is not necessary to create a bunch of different accounts at google.com. Notice my analytics for accounts is listed up here. If you want to add more, we just go back to the home page of our analytics settings and click this link to add a new profile, and it will go through and ask us the same questions about the URL for a website, and will give you a new tracking number to track your new profile, and you can install that into your next campus.albion.edu site.